Hi, it's Marty Manning. I'm at the beautiful Talking Stick Resort. We found another great staycation for you. Another great reason for you to just relax here in the valley and take advantage of these beautiful resorts we have. And Talking Stick Resort is definitely a beautiful resort. And we have some pretty nice prices as well. Rates start at just $109 a night. And special packages are available starting at $119 a night. Or if you stay 2 nights, you get a $60 resort credit. And that's Sunday through Thursday. You can use the credit at the spa at Talking Stick. Also, there's 6 restaurants scattered throughout the property, including the beautiful Orange Sky, which is up on the 15th floor, and you have just amazing views from there and amazing fine dining as well. Try out the Executive King option if you'd like for just $149 a night, and you're guaranteed a balcony and beautiful views of either Camelback or the Scottsdale McDowell Mountains. But whatever you do, you're going to have a great time here. I guarantee you that. You can relax in the pool. In fact, on the weekends, we have pool parties from 11 to 6. They've got a DJ, they've got drink specials and everything like that. So it's another great time to come out and have some fun at Talking Stick Resort. It's our staycation special for this week, and those rates are good through August 29th. Get all the details right here at KEZ999.com and have a great staycation.